Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the green screen background in CapCut for PC. So for example, I'm going to select image with the green screen. To remove the green screen, you are just going to cut out. You can select chroma key, select color picker, and select the green color and change adjust for its strength and then shadow till you get the perfect. Alright, here you go. You can move up and add the ground. Yes, good and bottom. Right? Super simple. That's how you can remove the green screen background in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.